Let's talk about insurance, baby. Thrilling, right? I know it might not sound like the most exciting topic at first glance, but trust me, there's more to it than meets the eye. Well, buckle up because we're diving into the wild world of Lloyd's of London, a place where the ordinary meets the extraordinary. No, not the bank. That's a different kettle of financial fish altogether. Lloyd's is a unique entity in the financial world. We're talking about the insurance market, so legendary it's practically the Beyoncé of risk management. It's where the big players come to play. Lloyd's isn't your run-of-the-mill insurance company. It's a marketplace where insurance policies are bought and sold. Imagine a giant bustling marketplace. But instead of peddling exotic fruits, they're hawking insurance policies. It's a hive of activity. It's a cacophony of brokers, underwriters and syndicates, all speaking a language that sounds vaguely like English, but with a heavy dose of insurance jargon. It's a world unto itself. Founded in a coffee house back in 1688, Lloyd's has a history as rich and caffeinated as its birthplace. It's steeped in tradition and innovation. It's a place where you can insure everything from a satellite launch to a celebrity's legs. The range of policies is as diverse as it is fascinating. Yes, you heard that right. Legs. And not just any legs, but the legs of the rich and famous. So how does this bizarre bazaar of risk actually work? What makes it tick? Let's grab a metaphorical cuppa and delve into the fascinating ecosystem that is Lloyd's. It's a journey worth taking. Forget everything you thought you knew about insurance companies. We're about to dive into a world that's far more dynamic and intricate. Lloyd's isn't a single entity, it's a marketplace, a vibrant, bustling hub where the world of insurance comes alive. Think of it as a sort of insurance stock exchange, where buyers and sellers of risk come together to strike deals. It's a place where opportunities and challenges meet. In this corner we have the brokers. These are the matchmakers of the insurance world, representing individuals and businesses looking for coverage. These brokers are like the dating apps of the insurance industry, but with less awkward swiping and more bespoke policy crafting. They are the ones who understand the nuances of their clients' needs. They assess their clients' needs, then scour the market for the perfect insurance match. It's a meticulous process that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the market. They compare policies, negotiate terms, and ensure that their clients get the best possible coverage. It's a role that demands both expertise and dedication. On the other side of the ring, we have the syndicates. These are the risk takers, the daredevils of the insurance world, each specializing in a particular type of coverage. These syndicates are composed of experts who are willing to take on specific risks. They are the ones who make the bold decisions. Some syndicates focus on marine insurance, ensuring that ships and cargo are protected against the perils of the sea, while others might specialize in aviation, property, or even those aforementioned celebrity limbs. Each syndicate has its own niche. Let's say you're a Hollywood hotshot with $1 million voice. You'd need to insure those pipes, right? That's where a Lloyd's syndicate specializing in entertainment insurance would step in, assessing the risk and setting the premium for your very specific vocal cords. They would evaluate the potential risks and determine the appropriate coverage, ensuring that your voice is protected. Each syndicate is made up of members who pool their resources to underwrite insurance policies. These members bring their expertise and capital to the table. These members can be individuals or corporations, all eager to get a slice of the action and the potential profits in the Lloyd's market. It's a collaborative effort that drives the entire marketplace. Together, they create a dynamic environment where risks are assessed, policies are crafted, and the world of insurance continues to evolve. Now let's talk about the unsung heroes of the insurance world, underwriters. These professionals often work behind the scenes, yet their role is crucial in the insurance process. These are the people who actually evaluate the risks and decide whether or not to offer coverage. Without their expertise, the insurance industry would be unable to function effectively. Think of them as the gatekeepers of insurance, carefully scrutinizing each application to determine its potential for a claim. They ensure that only the most viable risks are taken on by the insurance company. Underwriters are like insurance detectives, using their knowledge and experience to assess the likelihood and potential cost of a claim. They delve deep into the details to make informed decisions. They consider factors like the type of risk, the location, the history of claims, and even the time of year. Each of these elements plays a significant role in their final decision. Let's say you're a shipping company looking to insure a cargo of bananas sailing through Hurricane Alley. This scenario presents a unique set of challenges for the underwriter. The underwriter would need to consider the route, the time of year, the type of vessel, and even the ripeness of those bananas, because, let's face it, overripe bananas are a recipe for disaster. Each detail could impact the risk assessment. But wait, there's more. Underwriters also determine the premium, the price you pay for your insurance policy. This involves a complex calculation to balance risk and cost. It's a delicate balancing act, ensuring that the premium is high enough to cover potential claims, but not so high that it scares away potential customers. They must strike the perfect balance to keep both the company and the client satisfied. And who's orchestrating this entire symphony of insurance? The process is complex and requires careful coordination. That's where managing agents come in. They play a pivotal role in ensuring everything runs smoothly. These are the companies responsible for managing the syndicates, ensuring they comply with regulations and operate efficiently. Their oversight is essential for maintaining order and efficiency. They're like the conductors of the Lloyd's orchestra, making sure everyone is playing in tune and on time. Their leadership ensures that the entire insurance process is harmonious and effective.